Avocado salad is a favorite in my family. We love this simple recipe with few ingredients. 3 avocados, 3 green onions, aromatic herbs, and a small lime. Start by cutting the avocado in half and remove the pit.
Okay.
You can easily scoop the avocado flesh with a spoon to separate from the hard skin. Then transfer the flesh in a food processor. Add the green onion chopped in pieces. Then a 1/4 cup of dill leaves, separated from the stem. Dill weed is the best herb to complement the avocado taste with its fresh aromatic flavor. Add the lime juice, or you can use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Last but not least, 1/2 teaspoon of salt or to taste. Process in the food processor until there are no large particles visible. You may have to stop and scrape the sides of the food processor bowl to achieve a uniform consistency. Blending the salad took less than 1 minute in total in my case. You can see how nice it looks with small dill particles that enhance the green color. At this point the salad is done. All you have to do is transfer in a salad bowl. As an example, you can enjoy the avocado salad with toast and slices of other vegetables.